Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. This is Bhaskar Jogi. I have almost 22 years of experience in the IT field. So I have started my career in the IT in the year of 2000, right? So almost it is 22 years and completely into initially I started off with C++, .NET, Java, and later on, in 2003 onwards, I moved towards SQL side, RDBMS side, and later on in 2004, I jumped into BA track. Okay, so initially Microsoft released MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence Software. In 2004, it got released beta version, not the final version. It is a beta version. Okay, so the final version got released in 2005. So MSBA, Microsoft BA software, and I started working along with that. 2004, we got a pre-release version, that is MSBA beta version, alpha version, and after that. In 2015 we got Power BI, right? So almost this is the seventh year where the Power BI got released into the market. Now it is rocking, right? So we'll understand what is MSBI, what is Power BI, and what is that we're going to be covering. Why is that you have to join in this course? Everything I'll be discussing. So before that, so this is what is my introduction. So I was working with a lot of companies like Patni Computer Chennai. I was in Chennai for 2 years, and after that, initially I started off with a company called Symbiosis in Bangalore. Then it is called as Sim India now, and after that Unilever, then Daimler Chrysler, then TVS Motors, then Patni Computers, then right so Accenture Hyderabad. The last company was Microsoft Gachibowli. I was in Microsoft Gachibowli, and currently I'm not working. I came out because I'm passionate about teaching. I am passionate about giving my knowledge to the people. If you don't have proper gurus and proper teachers in the society, it will be very difficult for you to capture the knowledge, right? So it will be very hard for you to learn anything, right? So you can also learn a lot of things on your own in the YouTube, but the problem is that you don't get proper mentoring, right? If you don't have proper mentoring, if you don't have proper gurus, and if you don't have proper teachers, what will happen? You will be in the hands of brokers. You will be in the hands of brokers by paying hell a lot of money, lakhs of rupees. You will be able to you will be paying, and you don't get in the return nothing. You will be able to get. They will say you learn this in next days, you learn Power BI in 20 days, and within a month you will be able to get a job, because I have already placed lot of people. So when you say like that, you're ready to pay large amount of money. So if you don't have proper gurus and mentors, automatically you will be able to get a brokers. Broker is not the guy, because if you don't have a proper doctor, what will you reach a broker to get the treatment done? So that is completely irrelevant and not so good, right? If you wanted to get into IT industry, you have to get proper training. So don't go within 10 days of SQL training, Power BI training. My cousin is there, my brother is there, my friend is there. So anybody, let them be there. But end of the day, you are going to be getting cheated. You're going to be getting cheated, because companies needs very good crowd. They don't need any fake guys. Okay, so many companies are started recruiting because of lot of recruitment is happening in the IT sector. But the problem is that many people are in the hands of brokers. Many students, many rural people, especially from the village level people, they're getting the money and they're simply approaching the brokers. So that is where the problem. One is that the IT industry will get the wrong people, and you will also be in the wrong person's hands. You lose the money. End of the day, you don't get a satisfaction when you work for the IT industry. So even though you got a job, you will not be able to, work properly 100% because you don't know what to be done. So daily morning to evening, you need to act, pretend, act, right? So always what happens, so you have to act, so you're not doing the real work in the IT industry. End of the day, you will not be happy about your thing, so you will come out either 6 months, it may take 1 year, or if you are working for a small task. Clear? So somehow you got a job in very very bigger company, but you cannot perform a complex activities. Either you are on the bench, or somehow you are acting, or you got a small task that you are able to do it. So again, after 1 year 2 years, you will not be able to get the good projects because the problem is knowledge, you don't have it. Everybody has certificates, but what is missing? What is missing? Skill is missing. So now India needs skill. Not only India, world needs skill. You may be coming from any graduation, BA, BCom. You may be 2005 passed out, 10 passed out, 2002 passed out. You may be coming from BA, BCom, MBA, MCom, or MTech, B Pharmacy, and zoology background, MTech background, mechanical, civil, diploma, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Clear? So this course is very, very easy for you to learn, not very complex, right? So no coding is required. Non-IT people, especially non-IT people, can get into IT very, very easily. And this is a hot skill for another 2 decades, that is for sure. Because I started my career in 2000 and immediately I jumped into BA stack, almost 22 years, and completely into BA, business intelligence. Clear? So that time, told me, one of guy told me, only you need to learn Java and .NET, nothing else, because this BA, GA will not be there in the market. But now in my family, there are 20 to 30 people are working in only BA sector. After the BTECs, or after the BCom BA, I'm only giving the BA training and they're able to get the job. So they're able to get 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Many of my family members here in US, Canada, and my sister is in Canada. My cousins and my brothers are in different parts of India. All my family completely into MSBA and Power BA, right? Even my niece, my nephew, and in this batch also I have a lot of my family relatives. Clear? So BI is going to be rocking another 1 or 2 decades. You should not be worried about it. What you have to worried is, do you have the proper mentor or not? You can learn Power BI anywhere, right? Why only Bhaskar Jogi? Why only Bhaskar Jogi? You can learn Power BI anywhere. You have YouTube channels. Many people are giving for 3,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. You can also buy the video. So anybody can, teach, but they don't give you proper mentoring. They don't give you proper mentoring. So they simply teach the course and leave it to you, right? So I always say, you can go to film industry and work for any director, but you work for a Rajamouli, the output will be something different, right? So end of the day, you have to work. You have to go to the film industry, and somehow you got one director. He has a script, and definitely you can work with him. But definitely, the output will not be like in a famous director like Rajamouli, or you have Avatar director James Cameron, right? So definitely you have to have, the story can be anything. The story can be anything. You have to have a proper mentors, proper gurus, and proper, teachers. The unfortunately, many people are reaching brokers in India, especially. If they need a job, they're reaching out to brokers, and the brokers need money. They'll say companies are getting open now. You get up, hurry, 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 pay money, pay money, pay money, because he needs your money. He needs your money. So he will always say, you don't get, you will not survive, you will not do that, because he will not give you training. He needs your money. So everything he will teach you in 10 days and say that, I'll give you one offer, you jump. Somehow you go, you pay the money. So the story ends, then real story starts there. You don't know the subject, you don't know nothing. So you cannot act. So some days you need to pretend act, and your life will be measurable. Clear? So that is not the right path if you wanted to jump into IT industry. Clear? So I have a student from Canada, and her husband is working in Microsoft US, and because of the other issues and everything, they shifted to Canada now. And her name is Pratyusha, and she's from India actually. And after 13 years of as a housewife, okay, so housewife, so she never worked, and just 1 week back, she got a job in Canada. She got a job in Canada. I wanted to record her live session with you probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll invite in this meeting. She will tell that story. She wanted to only learn SQL Server and get a job. But I told her not to stop with SQL Server and Power BI and data warehousing and even SSIS. She learned, and she got a job, one of the top MNCs in Canada, just 1 week ago. 1 week ago, she does not have any clue how the IT industry works, right? And one of the cousin, in India working in Mindtray, and she inquired who's the best faculty in India. So many people told you go to Bhaskar Jogi, he's going to be giving you complete, the subject from very, very basic level to advanced level. She got a job, right? This is one example I wanted to quote, right? So I got a one mail recently. I wanted to share that mail as well. You read this mail, right? So request for suggestion. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Govind Surla. I joined the Power BI, SSIS and SSAS course in September 2021 batch. Past 30 days. This mail I got it from March 26th. Okay. So this it got copied just in 27. Past 30 days, I have attended interviews and I was selected for 4 companies. Those are RA Infotech, 8.5 lakhs in India. Silverlink Technologies, contract to hire 10 lakhs. Zensor Technologies, this one, Infinite Computer Solution, permanent 11 lakh LPA. This guy is an MBA guy. This guy is an MBA guy, put some 3 years of experience, and this is the one of the mail. So we got lot of guys last month from our batch, lot of MBA guys, BCom guys, one BA girl also got into Cognizant company, and 2005 and BA journalism. Do you believe a BA, Bachelor of Arts, and 2005 released in journalism. He got into a company called a Cognizant. He joined already uh, 3 months back and with a 10 lakhs of salary package. And he was working for 10 years in a data entry operator with 2 lakhs of salary package in India, right? So people from BA background, 2005 passed out, and at 10 years as a housewife, BA BCom people get into IT industry. It is not their luck. It is completely the proper mentoring, proper coaching, for starting from basic level to advanced level. Clear? So we are going to say, I am a BA guy, I am a BCom, I am a MCom, I am a chemistry guy. But your brain does not know that you are a BA guy. Your brain does not know that you are a BCom guy. Your brain does not know that you are a MBA guy, right? It needs whether you can learn the topic or not. We are only saying I am a BA, I am a BCom, I am a MSc, I am a zoology, I am 2000 passed out, 2005 passed out. Only we are thinking like that, but brain needs only proper inputs. If you give the proper inputs, automatically it will shine. It will get a lot of good opportunities, guys. అర్థమవుతుందా? So definitely you have to get into IT industry. Okay, so why you have to get into IT industry? One thing I'll tell you why you have to get into IT industry, because a lot of non-IT jobs, BPO sector, right, sales sector, and front office guys, admin, right, operations, admin jobs, operation jobs, sales jobs, marketing jobs, lot of jobs are, even the teaching, right, even the teachers, housewives, teachers, right, teachers, Lot of jobs are getting automated. You know why? Because of one technology called data science, right? So you apply a job in the job portal today, you will be able to get automated message. Thanks for applying. Press 1 to set up the interview call with Infosys. Press 2, exit the interview process. So that is how, though there is no recruiters are there now. So Infosys company is telling in next 1 or 2 years, we are going to remove completely minimum 1 to 2 lakh guys. 2 lakhs means two, it is 0.02 million, right? So 1 million is equivalent to 10 lakhs. 0.2 million guys will be removed next 2 years from only one company called Infosys. You think about Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, IBM. Lot of companies are slowly shutting down their operations, and lot of BPO, marketing, operations, admin, sales jobs, a lot of things are getting closed. Unfortunately, lot of crowd is working over there, and they're trying to, get some amount over there. But definitely, you people, especially from MBA graduates, especially from BCom graduates, they don't have proper jobs outside, so they don't have proper incomes. So maximum they're earning 20, 30,000 rupees. Now all you guys, people from BA, BCom, right? MBA, MCom, okay, B Pharmacy, BBA, okay. So B Pharmacy, I have a last quarter we had a B Pharmacy, then M Pharmacy, then MPhil, PhD. Now she joined in Power BI course. I asked her, why did you join? Because I'm getting only 12,000 rupees in the pharma industry. Because pharma industry also you don't get many jobs, right? Not good salaries. Now she's earning more than 1 lakh. 1 lakh per month she's earning. She's from Guntur, I think, right? She's from local in India itself, from Gunturu. Now she's able to get, so a lot of people, chemical background, botany, zoology background, BTech civil background, diploma background people. So BTech all branches, BTech, mechanical, anybody can learn. If you're not able to get a good amount of salary, so many people will ask me, sir, what is the criteria to get into IT industry? I say, if you have a less salary, if you have a less salary, then definitely you can learn Power BI. So many people ask me, what is the prerequisite for Power BI? I say only prerequisite, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. That's it. And if your salary is less, 10,000, 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, or your salary is zero means what? You're not working anywhere. You're not working where? You're a housewife for last 10 years, right? You're a BCom graduate or MBA graduate, passed out in 2005. To learn Power BI, so the first criteria, you don't have proper income. The next criteria, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, so that is the eligibility, you can learn Power BI. So Power BI is very, very easy. Even 10th class 10 times failure guy also can understand. Power BI is very, very easy. 10th class 10 times failure, not only one time. So those people also can learn. It is similar to your Excel sheet. You need not know Excel. Forget about Excel. You need not know Excel. So I'm just comparing. It is similar to Excel, but lot of job opportunities are available. But if you wanted to learn Power BI, so if you learn only Power BI, will you get a job? The answer is no. Power BI needs one more thing. What is that? Power BI needs very, very good understanding of SQL Server, or it is also called as SQL, or it is also called as RDBMS or DBMS. And some people will be calling this as a RDBMS software. Clear? So to learn Power BI, what is important? So you have to know SQL Server is important. So this is also called as SQL. We will be calling this as a SQL. Okay. So we will be pronouncing like this, SQL and anta. SQL. So, but you have to write a spelling like this, SQL, or you can pronounce like this, but you should not write this kind of a spelling. This is a wrong spelling. So you never write like this kind of a spelling. This is the spelling you need to write. So SQL stands for, SQL means structured query language. Don't worry about all the jargons. Now I will tell you each and everything very, very clearly. Clear? So what all you have to learn if you wanted to get into Power BI, a developer, you will become a software engineer. You will become a software engineer. You will become a data BI developer. What is a business intelligence? We'll be discussing, guys. What is a data? What is a business intelligence? What is MSBI? What is Power BI? Right? So what is Power BI, what is SQL, what is a data warehousing, all these things we are going to be understanding. We have 3-day demo classes. Today is the first class, only introduction class, and tomorrow also we have a class, guys. We have tomorrow, even though festival in India, sorry for that, even though Ugadi festival in India, but allocate 1 hour of time. Tomorrow we have a second demo. Tomorrow will be there with the same meeting aid. You can use it, and the next demo will be on the Monday. Clear? So the third demo will be on the clear. Okay. So first demo, second demo, third demo will be on Monday. All the demos are free. You should be able to attend all the demo classes. So for free, guys, there is no need. Okay. It is April 1st. Today it is happening. Tomorrow, April 2nd. So this will be on April 4th. Clear? April 4th. All these demos are free classes, guys. So you must attend all the classes. All the videos are going to be posted. Okay, daily videos are going to be posted. So compulsorily daily videos are posted to your email address. So this video also, today's video also, you will be able to get it after 1 hour to your email address. Clear? So to learn Power BI, so what is that you have to learn? Compulsorily you have to learn SQL Server. This is SQL. So unfortunately, there are no live classes. We don't have any classroom classes, only online batch. We don't have any institution in Hyderabad. We have only office in Hyderabad, Kukatpalli, KPHP, uh, beside South India Shopping Mall. Beside South India Shopping Mall, Ratnadeep Supermarket, we are there only office. We don't have any classroom trainings. We have closed all the offices. So we have only online trainings. Daily videos are posted. So all the videos are going to be posted from today to till end. You will get a minimum 40 to 50 videos are going to be there. So you can watch the videos. You can watch the videos if you miss any class. Am I clear? So no live classes are available, but how do you learn SQL Server? We have a pre-recorded videos are available, so that you have to purchase. Pre-recorded videos are available. Approximately we have 45 videos are available. How many videos are available? Very, very basic level. Very, very basic level means I'm talking about people from BCom background, MBA background, non-IT background, civil background, chemistry background. People can understand 45 videos. Each video is 1 hour video. Clear? So you have to buy these videos. You have to buy the videos and practice on your own. Clear? If you have any doubt in the video, in the next class, in the Power BI class, you have to ask the doubts. Clear? You can share me the screen and I can see your issues, and you can also call me. You can also ask me. So we have daily classes. Half an hour will be given for the SQL Server doubts. Then after the 1 hour of Power BI classes, you will be given half an hour time to understand and ask the questions in the Power BI class itself. After the class or before the class, I will give you time. So SQL Server, you can buy the videos. So we have two types of videos are available. One is in English videos and we have a regional language, Telugu is also available. Clear? You will be able to get 45 videos. You can opt for English videos or Telugu videos. Compulsorily, you have to study this. If you wanted to get into Power BI, if you wanted to get into Power BI, so SQL Server is very, very important. 70% of the interview questions are going to be coming from this topic only, right? So nobody will tell you. You ask, you go to Ameripet and ask, you go to other institutions and ask, they'll say SQL if you know basics, that is enough. But I am telling you, SQL you have to know in depth. 70% of the work will be there in the SQL server only. Excel is not needed. Many people say Excel is no need to learn. This is not needed. So we don't need a Excel knowledge. Okay, if you have it, that is good. Excel is not at all needed. Clear? What is important? SQL server you have to learn. So daily 1 hour you need to practice. So how do you practice? If you're morning attending, so these are the live classes. Let me complete this. I will come back to SQL Server. The next one, you have to start Power BI with us. And the Power BI, we are going to be having with the complete DAX. Okay. So Power BI with the DAX. And we are also will give you SSAS tabular model cube, right? So this is one thing, and we are going to be covering data warehousing. All of them you will understand what is a DAX, what is a Power BI, what is SQL, what is a SSAS tabular model, what is a warehouse. All these things will be discussing one by one, one by one. Don't worry about it. All this you have to, just listen to me for one day. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can easily understand. Clear? So all this will get covered in the live classes. And how many days? Power BI. Power BI will be for 45 days, daily 1 hour. Okay. We have only one timing, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST as of now. Clear? Indian Standard Timing. So this is the time this batch is going to be launching. So after you attend 3 demo classes, fourth day you have to make the payments and continue the classes. That will be on the Tuesday, April 5th. So today and tomorrow we have live classes. Sunday is a holiday, and Monday. So Monday means it will be Sunday night in US people and Canada people. So the timings are the same. Meeting ID you can use, the same meeting ID for all these 3 classes. And after that you have to make the payment. So you have to get 5 days, 45 days for these classes daily in 9 a.m. to this one. So the classes completely from Monday to Friday. Remember, all the classes from Monday to Friday. We don't have any classes on Saturday and Sunday. Completely, the timing is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. IST means Indian Standard Timing. So especially for US people, Monday to Friday means for US people it is a Sunday night to Thursday night. Am I clear? This is the time we have. We don't have any classroom classes. We don't have any evening batches. Clear? If you're not able to attend, so what I strongly recommend you, buy the videos and practice for the doubts clarifications. At least 1 or 2 days per week, you join lively at morning 8 o'clock. You can ask the questions. Clear? So only that is the option we have it, and 45 days. So then we have one more topic will be covered, SSAS tabular model, and this will be either live or videos are given for free, and this will be for 3 classes. Okay, so 3 classes you're going to be getting for free, and this will the free classes you will be getting. You need not make any amount. And data warehousing also, it will be for free classes will be given. Either live classes or videos are shared, and this will be for 7 days. Compulsorily, you have to learn this. When you make payment for SQL Server, videos, we don't have any live classes. You have to buy the pre-recorded videos, and daily you have to watch one video either in the morning or the evening. So daily morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock you have to attend Power BI. So these two courses 45 days. So almost This will be for 10 days. Total 45 plus 10, 55 days. So this will be 45 days. So you have to take these two courses parallelly. Okay? Parallelly, you have to practice, not one by one. So these are parallel course. April and May 2022, you have to complete these courses. And morning, if you're attending live batches, evening, you have to watch one video. So what is the video size? 1 hour. Can you watch 1 hour video at a stretch? You will go mad. You will feel sleepy. Never watch a video at a stretch. Never do like that. Then how to watch? 1 hour video, you watch only 10-15 minutes and you take down the notes. You pause it. You don't have a mood or time, just leave it. And in the evening again, you sit and watch. And if you don't have any mood, so leave it for that day. And next day morning or evening, you watch again 15 minutes and write down the notes. You have to carry paper and pen. You have to carry paper and pen, write all the diagrams. And I'm sure all non-IT people will appreciate the way I have taught very, very basic level. What is a computer? When you have, when the computer got invented, from there the lessons are started. Clear? Very, very basic level, very, very basic level. You give me feedback within 1 week, sir. The SQL server is very awesome. And as a non-IT guy, I'm able to understand. Clear? మీరు తెలుగు పీపుల్ అయితే తెలుగు బ్యాచెస్ వీడియోస్ కొనుక్కొని నేర్చుకోండి అన్న. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డైలీ వాచ్ దిస్ వీడియో. ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ అటెండింగ్ మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్, కంపల్సరీలీ you have to watch 15 minutes videos. And what is important, buying video anybody can buy. It is not a problem of buying. Watching is important. After watching, what is important? Write your own notes. So this is what is very, very important. Especially girls, especially ladies and girls, they're very, very, the patient to write the notes. They'll use different inks also. I had seen red ink, blue ink, green ink. That is how they prepare a beautiful notes. I strongly recommend to write the notes and watch these videos. If you don't have a proper time, and you have to watch it, and you will enjoy a lot. You will enjoy. If you have any questions, next day morning, you have to ask me. Okay, clear. And and so these videos are going to be given. The complete videos are given when you make the full payment. All the videos are going to be given so that you can watch them. You can just practice them, and you will be able to get very, very good case studies and mini projects. Clear? Case studies are included in that. Lot of good case studies are included, and solutions are included. Interview questions are included. Everything, case studies, interview preparation, lot of things are included. You will enjoy a lot. Okay? If you go outside, people will say, if you know basic SQL, okay, chalega. I will teach you 10 days of SQL Server. I am teaching you how many days? 45 days. If you believe them for 10 days of SQL, if somebody is saying only learn 3 days SQL, that means that guy is cheating or is lying. That guy is not from the real time, guy. He's not a real time guy. If somebody is saying you learn SQL Server only basics, not advanced stuff, then definitely that guy is lying. Clear? If somebody is saying, sir, I have studied in my BTech, I know basics of SQL. It cannot happen. With the basics cannot happen, I'm telling you. You cannot tell me, sir, I know I have studied my, BSc computers. Sir, I'm MCA background. I know RDBMS. I have studied in my college. College material is not useful. I'm telling you repeatedly. College, I know basics. I have a college knowledge. My friend is going to teach me. I have seen some YouTube videos. Nothing will work. So those are not enough, I'm telling you. Right? Because you have to understand 70% of the interview questions when you go in for Power BI job is asked. Right? So tomorrow I'll invite a lot of people. So people who got the job already working, I'll invite them. So they will share the feedback. And saying that most of the work is also from SQL Server, not from Power BI. But Power BI also, you have to have it because SQL Server is a outdated technology. Clear? So if you have, SQL Server, that is good, but only with the SQL Server you don't get a job. On top of the SQL Server, you have to have the Power BI. So these are the things that will get covered. And in SQL Server, there are two folders. What are the folders? There are two, subtopics. One is called SQL. SQL means basics are going to be covered. You need to start here. The second folder you will be able to get in the videos are TSQL. So this is what is called advanced SQL. Clear? So this will be approximately, I think, 30 days you have to learn, practice, and the basics you have to know thoroughly. Clear? And this will be another 15-20 classes are available. Clear? So you have to start here the basic. So TSQL stands for Transact SQL. Okay. So if you know Oracle in depth, that is also fine. If you don't know Oracle or any other RDBMS, I strongly recommend you have to, completely work with this. So you have to take either Telugu or English and daily one video. From next week you need to start. Clear? So if you attend the morning classes and evening you have to attend compulsorily these videos one by one, all of them you have to practice, and it is very, very important. And the live classes are going to be happening after 3 demos. Okay. The live classes are going to happening from April 5th. Okay. April 5th. The time is only this time. I don't have any other timing. If you don't have any other timing, so definitely I strongly recommend you buy these videos as well. You buy these videos as well. So daily one video, and whenever you need a doubt or you have a doubt, you can mail me. If you have a doubt, you can mail me so that I can clarify, or I can give you sometimes if you're not able to understand. I can give you one-to-one support sometimes. Okay, if I am free, because most of the time I'll be busy. But if you give some time, and definitely I can get back to you. I can give you some doubts clarifications, guys. Don't worry about it. People who are taking the videos, especially for them, because not everybody can attend because the time, the issues, right? So we don't have the weekend batches, we don't have evening batches, and we have one batch is going to start at 6:30 in the morning and the 8 o'clock in the morning. So this batch will be at 8 o'clock, right? So there is no other timing for this. And daily videos are will be posted. If you wanted to get daily videos, what you have to do, you have to give your information. Clear? So this is the information you need to fill it up. People who came late, I'm giving this in the chart window. So what you have to do, you have to fill in this form. So how to fill in this form? You have to go to a browser. You have to go to a browser and open and copy and paste it, and you will be able to get this kind of a form, your email address and full name with surname. Full name with surname need to be given. Complete as per Aadhaar card, location or the city, phone number, course details. If it is other foreigners, especially from local guys, India guys, foreigners, they have to put your complete code and everything. Course you have to mention Power BI, right? So the date, today's date, you can mention. So like this, if you wanted to mention, you can mention like this. Your phone number, location, country, you have to mention and send this. So when you fill it up, you will be able to get a discounted price. Already you have filled earlier, that is also fine. You need to refill it once again today, so that we know that you people have attended the demo class today. People who are attending demo, only those guys will get the discounted price, so not the others. Then you need to click on the subscribe. Clear? So many times they give a wrong email address. Many times when we sending the videos, daily videos, many mails will get bounced because of wrong email address. Make sure you give the correct email address, correct phone number. So today's video also you will be able to get after 1 hour, so that you can watch the video, you can download that video, you can share it to your friends. Clear, guys? It is mandatory that you have to fill in this form so that you will get the discount price. If you don't fill it up now, we don't consider later. Okay, so we'll wait for 1 more hour to fill this form. If you fill now, it is good. You will get discounted price and everything. Compulsorily, you have to do subscribe. If you're not able to get in the chat window, what you do, you have to write a mail to me, sir. I did not get the form. Can you send me the form? So you can write a mail to me so that I will be able to send the same form in the mail. You click on it, you fill it up, you send it. Compulsorily, you need to have a laptop. Software, I'm going to be giving it to you. Software, what software I'll give it to you? I'll give it to you. I'll give the SQL Server software. I will give you I'll give you Power BI software as well. So what are the softwares you need to have it? So what are the softwares you have to have it means, so we have to have SQL Server to be installed. What version? This is the version you have to install. Power BI you have to install. I will give you the software. Compulsorily you have to have Windows 10 or 11. Sir, I have a Windows 7, 8 and 10. You have to go to hardware shop and reinstall it. I cannot help you with the software installation. I will give you software. You try to install it and you need to have Windows 7, Windows 10. Compulsorily computer or laptop is needed. What is the, the hardware? So minimum 2 GB of RAM is needed. Any processor can work. Any processor can work, and a minimum 200 GB of hard disk. So that is more than sufficient for you to buy a laptop, right? So if you wanted to buy a laptop, go in for any Lenovo laptop. So minimum of 1 TB of hard disk, 500 GB hard disk, minimum of 2 GB of RAM is required, and you can buy Lenovo or anything with minimum 2 GB or 4 GB or up to 8 GB of RAM. You can go. You can buy one laptop, or if you don't have that money, so the laptop cost would be from in Indian currency 35K, right? So you will be able to get, and if you need a desktop with the same configuration, you will be getting, including monitor, everything, 20,000 rupees. Clear? So you can buy a laptop or the desktop. So you can buy minimum 2 GB or 4 GB of RAM. Any processor can work, and minimum 200 GB. Or if you're buying a hard disk, you can buy better, at least 500 GB of hard disk. Clear? And what is the software you need to have? Compulsorily 10. Don't ask me, sir, I have Windows 8, what should I do? Sir, I have Windows 7, what should I do? I cannot do anything. You have to go to nearest hardware shop, ask them to install Windows 7 or Windows 11. Go to nearest shop. Okay, if you're in a village, go to the nearest, good town or a city. You go to the shop and you will be able to install this, because I cannot support you for the installation, right? Windows 10 I cannot install. Even I go to hardware shop to get it done, right? So నేను హార్డ్వేర్ షాప్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఇన్స్టలేషన్స్ ఇవన్నీ చేసుకుంటాను కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ విండోస్ నాన్న. సో ప్లీజ్ గో దేర్ అండ్ గెట్ ఇట్ డన్, గైజ్. సో I will give you 1 week time to get the machines ready. Okay. So by, not this Monday, it will probably by 12th or 15th of April, you should be able to have your, machines and everything ready. But if you have by, April 5th, next week itself, that is good. If not, take 1 more week. Take 1 more week, get the machines ready. Clear? So these are the 2 courses that you have to learn compulsorily. Clear? So SQL Server you have to learn, and Power BI you have to learn, and SSAS you will be able to get the free, and this is free. For this you have to make the payment. This is a paid course. Okay. So SQL Server videos is the paid course, and Power BI is the paid course, right? So these are the courses you have to make the payment now, and you will be able to get, these are free with these courses. Clear? You will be able to get the only videos. No live classes are available. Very good latest pre-recorded videos are there. You just watch them. And so don't take basics. If somebody is saying I'll teach you, I have some videos, never go, because these people are not going to be covering all the interview questions, because 70 to 80% of the interview questions will get covered in the in my videos itself, right? You need not specially prepare anything, guys. So don't go here and there. So, sir, somebody is giving me videos for free, or somebody is planning to teach me. Don't never go. You will not be able to get anything. You will get zeros, and simply you waste your time. Clear? So the next one is called Power BI. Daily classes are going to happen. If you're not able to attend, you make the payment for the videos. Daily videos are going to be posted. Or if you need previous batch videos, we are going to be posting those videos. People who are busy, if they're not able to attend, at least you can, at least once in a while you attend with the live classes, or you can just mail me your concern or your questions if you have, and I'll be able to, connect with you in a separate meetings, probably in the evenings or in Saturday sometime, so that I can clarify, guys. Clear? So that is what you have to do. Anybody, any graduates, any year passed outs can get into IT industry. So these are the two courses. Then one more course compulsorily you need to attend. That is from MSBA. The course is called SSIS. MSBA has three courses: SSIS, SSAS, and SSRS. Clear? These three are called MSBA. What is MSBA? Microsoft Business Intelligence. Tomorrow, I'll talk about what is MSBA, what is Power BI, what is a DAX, what is Tabular Model Cube, what is data warehousing. In tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we are going to be discussing in detail. So don't worry about today. So MSBA is released in 2005. It is very, very old software. Even today, it is rolling. Power BI is released, when? It is released in the year of 2015. Clear? So it is a 7 years old software from Microsoft. This is the BI software, business intelligence software by Microsoft, almost 17 years back. Clear? So in this, we are going to be covering. So SSAS will get covered here. So SSRS, where it is a reporting tool. Instead of SSRS, we are covering Power BI. So Power BI, instead of this, we are going to be covering Power BI. Power BI is a reporting software. SSAS we are covering here. So don't worry. So this will get covered. So instead of SSRS, we'll get Power BI. So this is not needed. So SSAS we are covering for free. So compulsorily, what you have to know SSIS software, which is a ETL software. What is a ETL? You will understand in tomorrow's class. This will be for 25 days. So 25 days. Again, we don't have any live classes. You have to buy videos. As of now, we don't have anything. But if you start, you will be able to go and attend the live classes compulsorily. When I'm saying a compulsory, it is not. My friend is telling me, sir, not to learn. Then you listen to your friend. Don't join here. I don't need the guys who wanted to take multiple mentoring and get nothing. Okay. If you wanted to work with the Rajamouli movies, work for Rajamouli movies. Or if you wanted to work for some other movies, then go there and work. I don't have any problem. But don't tell me here, sir, my brother told me he is also into the IT industry. So Chiranjeevi is also into IT industry, but he cannot, direct, as like Rajamouli, right? So Chiranjeevi also can direct. Chiranjeevi also can do, but why? So donkey has to do donkey work, right? So the other guy has to do other work. So my brother can do, my sister can do, my brother-in-law can do. So yes, that is fine. If they're very, very good, then you can definitely take it. But if you're telling you only learn basic, learn this, learn that, means it will be difficult. Okay. Never do like that. If you don't get the job after 3 months of training, so April, May, June, so this will get done in the June, guys, and I will tell you when to start. So you have to make the payment for this in the month of June, so not now. Clear? So in June you have to make the payment. Clear? For these videos, and in this month, so you're almost ready. Once the Power BI is getting over, means in this classes only I will tell you how to have the CV preparation. I will take 2 classes on how to prepare a CV and how to put the projects and explain the project, and I'm going to be recording them. Explain the projects, because many people from non-IT people, they don't know anything. Explain the projects, that you keep it in your explain projects. Okay. And Interview questions, all interview questions are going to be covered. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your project. Tell me about your challenges. Tell me what is experience you have. Tell me what kind of a domain you have worked on. Tell me why did you come into IT industry. Tell me what is the salary you're expecting. All these things I'm going to be recording. I'm going to be giving. So from A to Z, I'm going to be covering. You ask me something, I'll give you. Sir, I don't have this, I'll give you. Sir, I don't have this, I will give you. Sir, I am from Ambedkar Open University. I have a education gaps, no problem. Sir, 2005 passed out, no problem. Sir, I don't have intermediate, I have done Open University, no problem. Sir, I have done this, no problem. So I can give you anything, right? But you have to practice, you have to practice. If that is missing, then I cannot help you. Clear? Compulsorily you have to pay, you have to keep. What is the complete duration? 3 months. If you don't have the time, if somebody says companies are getting opened, you get everything ready within 20 days, those people can quit now itself. I don't need the people who need everything to be done in 1 week or 10 days or 30 days. Clear? So, sir, no, sir. My friend told me I have to learn everything in 1 month so that he can get a job. If he is not able to get a job, I am there, I can get a job. Right? If he is not able to get a job, I am there, I can get you a job. If you are not able to get a job, then I can give you every month 50,000 rupees. I'm serious about it. Till you die, I will give you every month 50,000 rupees. That is for sure. I'll give you bond also. If you get a job, and I will give you every month 50,000 rupees till you die. That is a challenge. Clear? But you have to practice thoroughly. Getting a job is very, very easy. I'm telling you, get into IT industry is very, very easy. What is complex? After joining the IT industry, if you don't know the knowledge, all the brokers, people who are getting jobs, using brokers, now they'll come out because companies are getting open now, right? My people have learned 3 to 4 months time. Now they need some support here and there. We need some. We'll also give you job support here and there, no problem. But the people got the complete training, 3 to 4 months of rigorous training, and these people are able to sustain. And other people definitely they have to come out because they cannot act. So they'll ask, tell me about yourself. What is the project you have done in 1 month? What is that you can learn? Nothing. You need to attend, and one mini project also will get covered. One mini project also will get covered. And if you need a major project, that will be paid project, that we can take it if you need. So one mini project is also included. The project name is called Amazon, which is on the retail domain, FMCG domain. Fast moving consumer goods, right? Fast moving consumer goods are called FMCG. Retail domain, I'm going to be including one project. So 70 to 80% of the interview questions you will be able to get from my videos only. I will invite tomorrow or day after tomorrow few people who got the jobs recently. They will tell the feedback. They will tell the feedback how they lost the money, how the other people have, brokers are told them not to learn anything, learn everything in 1 month. So how, they get cheated with a large amount of money, and end of the return. So end of the day, they don't get anything, guys. So I'll invite them. You can just talk to them. So how they have, achieved. So from the being a BCom background, BSc background. So anybody can come into IT industry, BA, BCom, diploma, BSc, Open University. I have a gaps, 2005 passed out, BA, BCom, nothing to worry, guys. We are there. We can support you guys. And if you have any questions, we will be able to call you after the demo classes. These are the numbers you have to have always. And we will be able to call you. So after the demos, not today and tomorrow. So don't disturb us and don't call us also. If you have any concerns, I will, give you the time now. I can just talk to you. So today I'll talk to you after the demo. Tomorrow also I will talk to you. Day after tomorrow also I will talk to you. Sunday we don't have. Tomorrow we have a class. Tomorrow we have demo number 2. In that I'll be talking about completely the technologies. What is BI? What is data? What is MSB and everything, guys? Okay? So I wanted to tell you So we have freshers openings are going on since it is a go online trainings and consultancy, right? It is a trainings and consultancy. We have lateral entries and we have a fresher, recruitment is going on. And if you have in your family members or friends only in India, if you have anybody, HCL Technologies, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, lot of companies are offering lot of jobs. You send your CV to this number 93981 and 18506. Send your colleagues only for the fresher jobs. Okay, these are for the fresher guys. Currently, openings are available. So if they need any kind of a consultancy help, we are there to support you guys. Inform your friends. Clear? 2019 and 19 also included 2019. So many companies are including 2019, but you will be able to get less salary. Clear? So that is what you should be able to get it. And for other than Power BI jobs, we are also offering jobs within India: Power BI, MS BI, AWS, DevOps, Selenium testing, Azure. So for any more information for the jobs, experience or lateral entries, you can reach Mr. Madhav 93981 18506 number. So these numbers you need to say, save in your mobile phone forever. This is a WhatsApp number. Don't call, just ping them. So I am from so and so batch. You need to clearly tell you're from April batch. Okay, if you don't clearly tell, they don't understand. Sir, I am from Power BI. Which Power BI batch? They don't know, right? So you have to tell them. And this is very, very hot skill. Anyone can learn this hot skill, high salary paid, no coding required. Daily videos are posted. Monday to Friday classes will be there. And real-time topics are going to be discussed and everything, guys. And sample CVs are provided, CV preparation, online lab support, interview questions are discussed, and placement assistance and support across India is there. So don't worry about the placements and everything, right? So you can come, you can learn any graduate, any non-IT professional, sales guys, teachers, housewives, teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance. I have 10 years of gap, sir. I don't have much salary. You're welcome. BA, BSc, BCom, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, MBA, Diploma, any BTech. Sir, I have 10 years of a gap. I have a backlogs, but I have unfortunately completed, after 3 years. No problem. You can welcome. My own cousin, he could not complete his BTech in 2010. He completed in 12 or 13. Now this guy is working in Accenture, right? So he's also working almost 10 years. And he was initially in Mumbai. Later on, he's in Accenture, Hyderabad with 20 lakhs of salary package. You will get very, very good salary packages, right? So SQL Server and Power BI you need to join first, and MSBI you can join later. So these are the two courses you need to pay for, especially, right? So this is a video recordings, Telugu, and we have English and we have Telugu videos, and these are the live classes you will have. So only for these two classes you have to make the payments now, and this one you need to make the payment in the month of June, not now. Okay, so but this is compulsory. Okay, so never ignore anything, guys. Clear? So minimum package you will get if you put 3.5 years of experience, even though you have a 10 years of a gap. You have a 10 years of a gap, you can tell them that I was initially working for a government organization, or initially I was working for government jobs, or I'm running a own business, or I am 6 years I was completely into Excel and a lot of other technologies I was using. I'm not a technical guy, but later on I moved on to SQL and Power BI stack. Okay, your designation would be anything. Your designation would be anything. Okay, your designation would be constable also. Don't mind, because I have given a training to the constable. The constable is creating reports in the crime branch. So how many murders happened, how many accidents have taken place in Hyderabad. So lot of companies, not only you, even the police people are also using MSB and Power BI for the crime reporting. So even though the designation is constable, he is creating a lot of reports for the Telangana government and Indian government. Clear? So you could be, your designation would be a process manager or executive, or if you have anything, don't worry about it. In India, you will get minimum 8 lakhs, minimum 80,000 per month. minimum 10 to 12 lakhs of salary package, you will be able to get it. So even though your current salary is at 10,000 rupees per month, 15,000 rupees per month, if you have a PF account, you have to use that account so that we can get a job. Don't close any PF accounts and don't take any fake documents also. I will tell you how to use those PF accounts because many people are getting caught now. If you have a PF account in India, especially, they're getting caught. So from 10,000 rupees, so or 14, 20,000 rupees per month with a PF account, we can get a minimum of 10 lakhs of salary package. How? I will tell you in tomorrow, day after tomorrow's classes. If you have a PF account, don't close it. I'm repeating this. If you're getting monthly, only 20,000 rupees per month and you're working for a company as a process person, as a BPO industry, we can use that. We can use that and we can get it minimum 10 lakhs of salary package. I will show you one live. He was getting initially only 2 lakhs. Now we got 9 lakhs salary package. I'll show you his offer letter. Clear? Minimum you can get 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs of salary package. So that I can tell you guys. So duration to get is 3 months, guys. April and May, we have to complete SQL Server and Power BI. And SSIS, June, and CV interview preparation, everything I'll be, doing in the April, May itself, but you can upload your CV in the month of June. So 3 months or let it take 1 more month, but you should not reduce. You should not reduce. And many people are getting cheated because anybody can teach, Power BI, but who's going to be mentoring, right? So somebody has to mentor, right? Somebody has to mentor. So you have to have the proper mentor, guys. If you don't have the proper mentor, proper gurus, you will be in the hands of brokers, where you lose the more money, you lose the more confidence, you lose everything, then you get nothing. Clear? Don't go with the brokers. Don't think that you can complete in 1 month. That cannot happen. You cannot eat everything, all the food in the weekend. You can take only one meals, even though you didn't for entire week, right? So that is what you need to understand, guys. So starting point is not so important. What is important? Ending point is important. So Abraham Lincoln started his career as a shoemaker, right? You may be housewife, you may be salesman, or you have running a business and business has got into losses. You're earning only 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees today because you don't have a proper mentor. You don't have a proper guru. Because of that, you are not able to get into IT industry. Now you have, a proper mentor here. Utilize the opportunity. You have to learn the new skills, not the certificates. Sir, I'm MTech, BTech, MPhil. No, certifications will not give you any jobs. I'm repeating. Certificates will not get you any jobs. You will earn skills. You have to learn skills like Power BI with proper mentors, proper gurus, not with Udemy 200 rupees course. Sir, somebody telling me 1,000 rupees. No, you go there and join. You don't get nothing, right? Sir, somebody is giving me for 2,000 rupees. Sir, I will take, you take 10 courses, 10,000 rupees waste. Nothing is going to happen over there. Clear? And definitely, many people are buying. From my own colleagues, wife bought from simplylearn.com 65,000 rupees data analytics with Power BI. She paid for videos. We're charging one third of that. And after that, she attended and she was telling, Sir, I got nothing. I got only peanuts. And then, so I got completely wasted my 65,000 rupees in simplylearn.com. They're cheating like anything. So very big branding companies are, cheating. So don't go in. You compare our syllabus with their syllabus, you will amazed from very basic level to advanced level. 70 to 80% of the interview questions are going to be covered. You ask me something, I'm going to be covering. Right? That will be there. For the placement support, we have a dedicated number. So you're not able to get the job. So we are there. For the placements, you should not be worried at all. You try giving the interviews after the course. If you're not able to crack, then we are there. So don't worry about it, especially in India. I can easily support. For abroad people, I can only recommend the existing students. We have a lot of people from Canada, Dubai, Saudi, then even people from Pakistan I had, and a lot of people from London, Italy, and US. I have many people. South Africa, Nigeria. I had a lot of people from now Nigeria, South Africa, and I can recommend those, people, guys. So definitely you will be able to get. But India crowd, you will be able to get placements very well. So no problem. You try to give the interviews. If you're not able to crack, then we are there. You can reach out this number for the placement anytime. Clear, guys? So don't worry about the placement. You have to worry about knowledge, and practice. So one case study about Power BI, I will be talking about a retail business should be able to their vast amount of data and information in such a way that impacts the business, blah, blah, blah. So all these things we'll discuss tomorrow because you don't understand what is a BI today. I did not tell you anything about BI today. So tomorrow, what is that we're going to be covering? We'll be covering what is a data, right? So we are going to be covering what is data, what is a business intelligence, what is SQL, what is a data warehousing, what is MSBI, what is Power BI, and what is a data analytics, right? And what is a data science. All these things we're going to be understanding tomorrow. Don't miss the class. I'll take your questions now one by one. Okay, same meeting ID. Tomorrow we have, even the festival is there. So tomorrow we have a class, and definitely we'll connect tomorrow, guys, with the same meeting ID. And thank you so much for your time. And I will take your class. Any doubts now? Yeah. Hmm? Guys, a lot of people did not fill in this form, so you have to fill the form. What is the advantage? You will be able to get a discounted price if you fill it now. If you don't fill it now, if you fill it later, we will not consider. We will give you one more hour to complete the form. You will get a discounted price when you have this data with us. So you will also get discounted price. Not only that, daily videos are will be given. So I'm giving you this form. You have to open this form and copy and paste it, and you have to fill it up, so that if you're not able to get this, I have given in the chat window. If you're not able to get this, write me email, so that goonline.bhaskar is my mail ID. I will be able to resend this form right away after this class. You have to fill it up because you will be able to get a discounted price. People who are filling the form only will get discounts. Other people will not get a discounted price. They have to make the full payment. Clear? Please make the payment, guys, and I'll take your questions one by one now. So tomorrow also we'll connect, and tomorrow completely technical things we're going to be discussing. So today only general things and these things. Thank you, guys, and total cost will come to know. So the cost and everything will be informed on the third day of the demo, guys. So today first day, tomorrow second day, and Monday will be the third day. After that, my team is going to be calling. They will be giving you the fee and everything for the course. Should not be worried about the course. And if you fill the form today, that is fine. If you fill the form today, that is fine. So if you filled in the previous, means you need to refill it once again. You have to redo the job once again today only. Okay, this is a different form that you have to fill it up. Chalo, guys. Any other questions? If you have it, I will give you permission to talk. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Tell me. This is the form, guys. I have sent it. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, my doubt was, sir, sir, I'm from like civil background. Then I was into content part and operations part, sir. So, sir,
Correct.
SQL, sir. I mean, I'm not into a coding background. So, I will be getting problem in SQL, sir? Like, my question was that, sir, because I
See,
was
the
knowing
problem
about only
is,
Power BI.
so
Yes, sir.
if you wanted to get into IT industry, minimum 20% of coding you have to learn, because without that you will not survive. Clear? That coding only in SQL. Clear? MBA guys, BCom guys, B Pharmacy guys also similar to you guys, similar to you. So don't worry about, you can easily learn. Okay, na? Yeah.
Hello.
I tell
Hi,
me.
sir.
Hi.
Sir, I have an experience for 3 years in non-technical. I have done MBA,
Okay,
sir, but I'm working in finance as an underwriter mortgage like that.
correct.
But I was not interested in my current field, so I'm just
You
thinking
you
about
quit
tech.
immediately. You quit immediately. You join full-time course because I'm telling you that you quit. So 100% you get a job. 100% you get a job. Right? You quit
And my question is
immediately. You
like,
join full-time if
will our
possible.
experience will consider as sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
That
yes, sir.
experience we can put it. No problem.
And
Do you have a
like
PF
layoff
account?
was happened, sir. Layoff was happened on the month of last. Better
Then it is
company, right?
fine. It is good. It is good. No problem. So
I'm worrying
100% you
about
can get a
if
job.
want to go in
Minimum
this
of 10
current
lakh
field
salary
or
you will
want
get
to
it. No
how
problem.
much we can expect, sir?
10 lakhs of salary, 10 to 12 lakhs you can get it.
ఓకే నేను కాసేపు పనిలో ఉండాలి
Sir,
బయలుదేరు
but we don't have
Yeah, right.
real-time
పైన
experience, right?
ఉండాలి
Those will
Real
be
time
manageable, sir.
experience I'll give you.
బాయ్ బాయ్
So I'll give you one major project. You will be able to get easily 3 to 4 years of real
ఉండి
time
ఉండి వస్తున్నా
experience. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Then no need to put any fake, right, sir? My
Nothing
past
is
company
required. If
experience
you
can
have
I
a PF
mention, right?
account, no need to put
I have,
anything.
sir. I have, sir. I worked in TCS as non-technical.
Hello.
Those I can put
Excellent.
experience,
You
right?
no need of putting any other fake documents. If you have a PF account, your salary is at 20,000 or lesser than that. We can get a minimum 10 to 12 lakhs of salary package. How? I can tell you in the later classes. If you wanted to resign, you can also resign. Already your resign date, 3 to 4 months. You only
Not
practice.
recent,
I
sir.
can
I
get you a
was in
job.
like layoffs were happening. It will happen like on the month of July or like that. So in the meanwhile, only I was want to start learning. Like
Yeah.
just
See,
want,
if you don't have a time, if you
yeah,
don't have a time, I strongly recommend to resign now itself.
sure, sir. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
sure. I'm recording this. I'm recording and giving it to you.
But
If
I'm
tomorrow
not.
something
I
happens,
don't
I'll.
know. Like I don't know anything from basic level. That is
Yeah,
also
I am
one.
there, right? I am there. If you don't know
Sure,
anything,
sir.
I can
Thank you.
give you. You have to only practice. I can give you 100% support. If you're able
Sure.
to pick up the subject is not very complex. I am asking you to resign. That means I should be serious about your job, right? Not you.
Sure, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
హలో
sir,
Thank you, Nana.
what
హలో
about
సార్
sir
Perfect.
గుడ్
sir
మార్నింగ్ సార్
after the course?
Course?
Sir, after the completion of course, if we are getting any doubts, sir, like how can we contact, like
So
through call
daily
or
we have daily clarification classes are available daily. So after 1 hour of a class, I'll give you half an hour time to discuss the doubts. Clear? And after that also you have your mail ID. Sir, this is the doubt. I got it. I wanted to see this. Then I can reply, or we can also create a Telegram group so that you can also ask. In that previous batches, people also will be there. You can share the doubts with them. They will be able to reply. Clear?
okay, sir.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
గుడ్
Yeah.
మార్నింగ్ సార్
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
I'm Anuradha Pandey.
Yeah, Radha, tell me.
Actually, Anuradha Pandey. Actually, I
Anuradha
have
Pan, tell me.
experience in yeah. Actually, I have experience in mobile manufacturing.
Excellent.
6 years. But
Excellent.
I want to change into IT sector. But I don't have
100%
experience
you
in
can
current.
change.
Like I
You can use the
okay.
existing experience. How to put, I will tell you. So you can use the 6 years experience, but you can tell them that, 3.5 years into Power BI, remaining 2 years, we'll put something else. Clear? You can get a minimum
But sir,
10 to 12 lakhs of salary package. Yeah.
but I don't have any experience in Power BI. Then how
That
it
is
will
where,
be
that is
managed?
where you're learning the course. I'm there to teach you. I can help you, right? Huh?
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
Okay.
సార్ ఐఎమ్
Yeah, tell
శేఖర్
me.
సార్
Shekhar, tell me.
ఐఎమ్ శేఖర్ సార్ ఐఎమ్ బీకామ్ గ్రాడ్యుయేటెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ this month sir.
Okay.
I'm become computer sir, so once I complete the course from you, can I get a job sir as a fresher?
Fresher, there are a few companies are offering. In last month only, we got one job with 6 lakh salary package. Is also from BCom 2021 passed out. So he got an interview with SQL and he got 6 lakhs of package. Last month only, a fresher got a job. I can recommend. Okay, yeah, no
So thing
problem.
is I'm 2022 batch sir.
That's fine. 2021 and 2022, just 1 year, right?
Yeah sir.
Don't worry, don't
నా
worry.
పేరు మహేష్ సార్.
Tell me, Amma.
సార్ సార్ నా పేరు మహేష్ సార్.
Yeah, tell me.
సార్ నాది
Yeah,
12
Chaturana.
13 అయిపోయింది సార్, పాస్ అవుట్ బీటెక్
Okay,
ఈసీ బ్రాంచ్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్
okay.
ఎక్సెల్ అకౌంటెంట్ గా చేస్తున్నాం సార్ లోపల.
Okay, so we're 100% eligible to move into IT industry now, but you need to start from basics, very basic level to advanced level. I will help you. Sarina?
సార్
traveling.
జాబ్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. జాబ్ చేస్తూ నేను నేర్చుకోవచ్చు సార్ కోర్స్.
జాబ్ నాకు తెలియదురా, నీకు ఎంత టైం ఉంటుంది నాకు ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది. యూ నీడ్ టు జస్ట్ అటెండ్ ఫర్ 1 month, విల్ కమ్ టు నో. సరేనా?
Hi sir, this is Narendra.
Hello,
2
sir.
to 3 years of practice must be there. Daily 2 to 3 years of practice must be there. Yeah,
ఓకే
tell
సార్.
me.
సార్
Hello,
10
sir.
to 6 months సార్ నాది.
If I want to join morning classes in next month, is it possible? Can I join morning class in
Morning
next month,
6:30
6:30 to
because
7:30?
no, what you do in this month you can
Yes.
join 8 o'clock. Next month you can shift in
Okay.
that batch, because 8
Okay.
o'clock only we have a the this timings. So you continue 20 days in this, and next month you can jump into 6:30 batch.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
Shravani.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Is it technology, sir? Okay for that IT sector, sir. I don't know about the coding.
Because 20% coding will be there, so it will give you a lot of job opportunities, especially for the non-IT people. People who do not know coding,
Sir,
people who do not know coding, వాళ్ళకి ఇది బాగా ఉంటుందమ్మా. It will be very good people who do not know coding.
okay, sir.
Okay na? Yeah.
Hello,
Sir, this is
hello, sir.
చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
Sir, I passed out 2014, sir. I am housewife. How to get option as a fresher?
I'll give you documentation amma, so you can get some 3.5 years documentation, so from the class later. So don't worry about everything, you need to concentrate on the subject first. Remaining things I will take it, don't worry. Sarena?
Sir,
Tell me.
Hello? I'm
Hello?
Sairam. Sir, I am Sairam, sir. I
Tell
have
me.
recently completed MTech 21 batch, sir, mechanical background.
Okay.
I have worked 3 months in other company.
Okay.
I was resigned.
Okay.
I have PF account, sir. Is it
You have
possible?
to keep that PF account so that we can use it, guys. So don't worry about it. Sarena? Right.
Okay.
Guys,
Thank
you
you.
have to
sir,
fill this
my
form.
name is
You have to
Seema.
fill this form.
Sir, my name is
Yeah.
నాది డిగ్రీ 2003
చెప్పండి అమ్మ. Tell me.
డిగ్రీ 2003 బ్యాచ్ అయితే యూహెచ్జీలో క్లెయిమ్ సొసైటీలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను.
మీరు యూహెచ్జిలో ఉంటే గనక దాన్ని రన్ చేయండి అన్న. ఐ నీడ్ దట్ పిఎఫ్ అకౌంట్ టు గెట్ ఇన్ టు ఐటీ. సరేనా?
ఇక పిఎఫ్ అకౌంట్ ఉంది, అది రిజైన్ చేసి వేరే కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు 3 years స్మార్ట్ డ్రైవ్ సిస్టమ్స్ అని దాంట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను ప్రెసెంట్. సో
Hello, sir.
అది రన్ చేసుకుంటే మనము పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ ఇప్పుడు
చేసుకోవచ్చు
నేర్చుకొని.
Sir,
చేసుకోవచ్చు, అది
I was
ఉపయోగించండి.
also asking, having doubts, sir. In previous company, it was a small startup company, so they didn't opt this PF account, sir. But I'm having this offer
That is
letter
also
and
good. If they don't have PF account, that is also good. We can manage. If we have the PF account, don't close it. We can use it. అర్థమవుతుందా? Yeah, that is what is my point. Yeah.
సార్ నా
Any
డౌట్
other questions?
ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకోవడానికి టైమింగ్స్ సెట్ కాదు సార్, అందుకే అది రిజైన్ చేస్తాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. రిజైన్ చేసి ఫుల్ టైమ్ గా నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
కంపల్సరిగా నేర్చుకోండి. రిజైన్ చేసి ఫుల్ టైమ్ గా నేర్చుకోండి. Now after that you come to me, you will get definitely 10 lakhs of salary package.
అదే భయం సార్, అదే
బాగా
మళ్ళీ
నేర్చుకోవాలి.
పోయాక రాకపోతే మళ్ళా ఇట్లా అని.
నేను పెంచుకుంటాను లైఫ్ లాంగ్. ఓకేనా? ఐ విల్ రాసిస్తాను నీకు.
ఓకే.
Don't worry about
అండ్
it.
ఇంకోటి SQL సర్వర్లో SQL ఒక భాగమా సార్?
అన్న 1 by 1 మాట్లాడండి. ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
What is the
Hello.
sir, 8 to 9 only, sir?
1 by 1.
SQL సర్వర్ అని చెప్పారు కదా సార్.
Narendra.
SQL సర్వర్ లో SQL అనేది ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ కదా?
అంటే రేపు మాట్లాడదాం దాని గురించి. ఈ రోజు వద్దులే, మిగిలిన అడగండి. రేపు మాట్లాడదాం.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello?
Narendra, like
చెప్పమ్మా.
డిగ్రీ
అమ్మాయి ఏమో మాట్లాడుతూ అమ్మాయికి ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి అన్న. చెప్పమ్మా. చల్మి.
సార్ పిఎఫ్ చేస్తారా?
పిఎఫ్ అకౌంట్ లేకపోయినా ఓకేనమ్మా, నేను చేస్తాను, మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను. డోంట్ వరీ.
ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్.
హలో సార్, సర్టిఫికేట్ ఏమైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా సార్ కోర్స్ అయిపోయాక?
సర్టిఫికేట్స్ అంటే కోర్స్ కంప్లీషన్ సర్టిఫికేట్ కావాలంటే ఇస్తామమ్మా ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. దిస్ ఇస్ a registered institution కాబట్టి you will be able to get course completion certificate వస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
sir, 18
Is it included in this course? Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
if you need, yeah.
Course certification is also included?
Yeah. Course certification
Okay.
means from our institution, not from Microsoft, because there is a exam in Power
Okay.
BI. that is going to be given by Microsoft. If you need Microsoft certification, you have to make the payment and write online. But if you need a course completion certificate, I can give
May
it
I
to you.
know the payment? Hello, may I know the
Payment
cost,
details
please?
will be payment details
Certification?
will be told after
No,
certification
cost.
payment will be
Certificate, sir.
Certification cost.
7,000, I think 7,000. You just Google it, you will come to know. Power BI course, certification
Okay,
cost.
okay.
You can Google it, you will come to know. Yeah.
So, sir, this is Narendra. Like, if I join like 8 to 9 shift, and next month if I shift to 6:30 to 7:30 shift, will there be any like lag in the course, or it will be
No
continuous?
problem at all. No problem at all. You can join in 8 o'clock. Next month shift to 6:30. That I will take care. Don't worry. Smooth
So,
transition will be there. నేను చూసుకుంటాను అది.
హలో
చాలా మంది అట్లా జాయిన్
భాస్కర్
అవుతారు.
సార్.
Yeah, tell me.
హలో
Yeah, tell
సార్,
me.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు లైవ్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వాలని సార్, కానీ వర్క్ మాత్రం నాకు మార్నింగ్ షిఫ్ట్స్ నాది ప్రెసెంట్ ఈవినింగ్ 6
రిజైన్
తర్వాత
చేసేగా
అవుతుంది.
నాయన.
మరి ఎలా సార్
ఏంటి
అది?
ఎంత 1,00,000 వస్తుందా శాలరీ అక్కడ?
నాకు ఏం రాదు సార్, 40-35 వస్తుంది.
ఎందుకు ఒక 2 months ఆగిపోతే ఇక్కడ 1 month శాలరీ 1,00,000 వస్తుంది నీకు. నువ్వు దాన్ని పట్టుకొని దీన్ని
చెప్తున్నా సార్,
పట్టుకొని అటు
కన్ఫర్మ్
రాక ఇటు రాక
టెన్షన్ లో.
ఆ? నీకు
ఓకే
ఇష్యూస్ లేకపోతే ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇష్యూస్, ఐ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ రికమెండ్ టు రిజైన్. ఒకవేళ ఉంటే
ఓకే
గనక 1 month ఆగి రిజైన్ చేయి కంపల్సరీగా. నాకు మెయిల్ పెట్టు, సార్ ఐ హావ్ రిజైన్డ్. సో అని చెప్తే నేను హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతాను, లేకపోతే నేనే రిజైన్ చేస్తాను నీకు.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్లీ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ టెల్ దట్ పవర్ బిఐ హైరింగ్ తక్కువ, ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ లేదు హైరింగ్
మార్చిలో కాల్స్
చెప్తుంటే.
తక్కువగా ఉంటారా? మార్చిలో దెర్ ఆర్ లెస్ కాల్స్. నేను ఇప్పుడు బోల్డ్ చూపిస్తాను నీకు. లాస్ట్ మంత్ లో మా దగ్గర నుంచి వచ్చిన హైరింగ్స్ మీరు చూడండి. ఐ విల్ షో యూ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ హైరింగ్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ హ్యాపెన్ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ట్ మంత్. నాకు లాస్ట్ 10 days లోనే లాస్ట్ మంత్ బ్యాచ్ ఒక అమ్మాయి కొట్టేసింది. బీకామ్ పాస్డ్ అవుట్, బీకామ్ బిఎస్సి పాస్డ్ అవుట్, తను బీకామ్ ఎంబీఏ పాస్డ్ అవుట్. తర్వాత ఒక అబ్బాయి కొట్టాడు, ప్రత్యూష్ అమ్మాయి కెనడాలో కొట్టేసింది. ఒక 10 మంది బీపీఓ సెంటర్ నుండి కాగ్నిజెంట్ లో క్యాప్జమ్ లో కొట్టేశారు. ఆల్ ద ఆఫర్ లెటర్స్ ఐ కెన్ షో ఇట్ టు యూ. ఓకేనా? దెర్ వర్ లెస్ ఓపెనింగ్స్
Hello,
బికాస్
sir.
ఆఫ్ బడ్జెట్.
రెజ్యూమ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ అండ్ లింక్డ్ఇన్ కొంచెం హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు సార్, అది మేము ఎలా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి?
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ హెల్ప్ యూ, డోంట్ వరీస్. చెప్పండి. అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడుతుందామని అనే ఛాన్స్. యా, సమ్ గర్ల్ ఈస్ టాకింగ్. యా, చెప్పమ్మా.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Af- Hello, sir.
Yeah.
After classes completed, can I join, attend the interview or during classes?
No, last month probably, in the month of April, May, June, you can start giving interviews and everything. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, is there any EMI options are also available, sir?
hello, sir, I am Raghu.
That you need to ask them day after tomorrow. Third
Hello,
day,
sir.
my people will call you.
హలో సార్.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ నేను 2008లో డిగ్రీ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను సార్.
ఓకే.
ఆ తర్వాత 11 years కూడా ఫినాన్స్ సెక్టర్లో ఉన్నాను, అది కూడా డిఫరెంట్ కంపెనీస్లో ఉన్నాను. ఇప్పుడు క్విట్ చేసి ఈ కోర్సులో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చా సార్? నాకు ఫ్యూచర్ ఉంటుంది.
మీరు ఎక్సలెంట్ గా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి అన్న. మీరు లెస్ శాలరీతో వర్క్ చేస్తా ఉంటే, ఇఫ్ యూర్ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ ఎ లెస్ శాలరీ, దట్ ఈస్ ఎ క్రైమ్.
ఎస్ సార్.
I'm telling you seriously. If you're working for a less salary, that is a crime. You have to come out. If you don't come out, the companies are going to remove you guys, because of lot of automation coming to the industry, right? So you have to get into the better places, better opportunities. This is the right time to explore. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఈ టైంలో మీరు రాలేదనుకోండి, ఇంకొక 3 years తర్వాత జాబులు పోయాయి అనుకోండి, నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్. సరేనా?
Sir.
కావు మీకు. చెప్పండి.
Hello, sir. One question is about laptop configuration. It వచ్చేసి 116 SSD, sir, my laptop. So is it okay?
Sufficient, Nana. Sufficient.
And second question is about, I'm a finance guy. With working with a finance BPO.
Yeah.
And my package is almost 14 lakhs.
Okay.
Is it okay to come into this course now?
Yeah. Why not? You have a very good finance background. We need domain experts as well. You add your domain knowledge with the technology, you will have much more scope.
Okay, but
At least also you can get a 25 lakhs in Hyderabad itself, and more than that.
okay, but I don't have experience in this, like 5 years or
That is
7
why
years.
you're joining the training, right?
Okay.
Why training you need? Because you don't have anything, right? Otherwise, why will you join my training?
Okay.
right? And add domain to technology, you will be useful for the tomorrow's, in the companies. Definitely, you must learn.
Okay.
You will get more salaries. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
sir. Sir, this is Sai.
Tell me.
2017 working in city.
Hello, hello.
Tell me.
సార్ నాది 2018 సివిల్
Working
ఇంజనీరింగ్
in
పాస్
CTS as a system
ఇప్పుడు
analyst.
పవర్ BI జాయిన్ కావచ్చా సార్?
ఏంటన్నా?
సార్ నాది 2018 సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సార్, బీటెక్ పాస్డ్ అవుట్. ఇప్పుడు పవర్ BI
ఆల్ బ్రాంచెస్ లో నీది వస్తుంది కదా.
సార్
బీటెక్ ఆల్ బ్రాంచెస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఎలిజిబుల్ అని చెప్పాను కదా.
అదే సార్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు లాంగ్ గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది కదా సార్, ఇప్పుడు 2018 కి 4 ఇయర్స్
2005 వాళ్ళకే జాబులు వస్తా ఉండే. ఏంట్రా నువ్వు?
అలాగే సార్, అంటే ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ఏం చేశారన్న సార్ ఇప్పుడు?
నేను చెప్తారా? ఇప్పుడు అన్నీ ఒకరోజు చెప్పలేం కదా. సినిమా మొత్తం చూడ 3 ఇయర్స్ సినిమాలో నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ ఫైటింగ్ లోనే క్వశ్చన్లు అడిగితే ఎట్లా?
ఓకే సార్, అలాగే సార్.
సరే నేను ఉంటా. యా సరే, డోంట్ వరీ. నెక్స్ట్
సార్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్.
2017 batch.
ఆఫ్టర్ 5 ఇయర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్ ఇది? ఆఫ్టర్ గ్రోత్ అనేది అడ్వాన్స్ గా ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్? పొజిషన్స్
చాలా బాగుంటది. ఎస్క్యూఎల్ బాగా నేర్చుకుంటే యూ కెన్ రాక్ ఇన్ ద ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ. ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్. ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఎస్క్యూఎల్ పెడతా ఉన్నారు, విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్ అట్ ఆల్. ఎనీ నాన్ ఐటీ పీపుల్ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. మీరు ఈజీగా వెళ్ళిపోతారు నాన్న, సరేనా? సో డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్. ఎస్పెషల్లీ నాన్ ఐటీ బీకామ్ గైజ్ కెన్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో ఎస్పెషల్లీ వీఆర్ హెల్పింగ్ రూరల్ పీపుల్ నాన్న. టౌన్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి జాబ్స్ వస్తాయి. సో స్మాల్ విలేజెస్ లో ఉండి దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాపర్ ఇన్కమ్, ప్రాపర్ గురూస్, ప్రాపర్ మెంటార్ లేని వాళ్ళకి goonlinetrainings.com ఈజ్ హెల్పింగ్ ఏ లాట్ టిల్ ద ప్లేస్మెంట్స్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎవరైతే స్మాల్ విలేజెస్ లో ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఎస్పెషల్లీ వీరు బ్రింగింగ్ దమ్ ఇన్ టు ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ. లేదనుకోండి, మీరు 10,000 12,000 ఊర్లో ఉండిపోతారు. తర్వాత యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాపర్ ఇన్కమ్స్. ఎస్పెషల్లీ హౌస్ వైఫ్స్ కూడా అట్లాగే ఉండిపోతారు నాన్న. సో స్మాల్ విలేజ్ పీపుల్ ఎవరికైతే ప్రాపర్ ఇన్కమ్ గా లేదో, utilize this opportunity. Go online trainings and consultancies helping them to get into IT industry. Nana, you will get 10,000 rupees salary and you will be able to get 70,000, 1 lakh salary. Right? So especially for the rural small village ఉపయోగపడతాయి. యా చెప్పండి.
Hello, sir. This is Venki, sir. Sir, నాది 2017 degree passed out, sir.
ఓకే.
హలో సార్.
మీకు ఇది కనిపించదు. ఇది చదువుతారా మీరు? ఇది చదువుతారా లేదా? యు రీడ్ దిస్ లైన్. ఎనీ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ ఎనీ ఇయర్ పాస్డ్ అవుట్.
సార్ అదే నా డౌట్ ఏంటంటే, నేను కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఒక వీక్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్, విశాఖపట్నం.
చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
ఇప్పుడు ఎస్క్యూఎల్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే మ్యాథ్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏమైనా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటారా సార్?
2 + 2 = 4 అని నీకు తెలియాలి హీరో.
ఓకే, అంటే అంత కాదు సార్. ఇంకా
అక్కర్లేదు అన్నాను.
ఓకే సార్.
హలో సార్, మై నేమ్ ఇస్ కోటెడ్ సార్. సార్ హలో సార్. సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. ఇంతమంది డౌట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు, మీరు వీళ్ళందరినీ ఎలా మీరు మేనేజ్ చేయగలుగుతారు సార్ ఈ డౌట్స్ తోటి?
కాబట్టి క్రౌడ్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటది కదన్నా. తర్వాత ఎన్ని డౌట్స్ రావు. సబ్జెక్ట్ సినిమా స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఉండదు కదా, ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఉంటదా? ఫస్ట్ ఫైట్ లోనే గొల్లంత ఉంటది.
ఓకే సార్.
తర్వాత స్లోగా అయిపోతుంది అని కూడా.
I have one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Currently, I'm working in CTS as a system analyst. If I want to shift it to Power BI field, means how can I tell that I have a few years experience in CTS? Full evidences, right?
How many years of experience you have?
I have 2.5 years experience in CTS as a system analyst.
దాన్ని నేను మారుస్తాను మీకు, సరేనా? డోంట్ వరీ.
Okay, sir, because CTS have full evidences right under.
నేను చేయిస్తాను నీకు. CTS నుండి వెళ్దాం, సరేనా?
Yeah, sure.
క్రైమ్ బ్రాంచ్ పీపుల్ కి మనం జాబ్లు ఇచ్చాం. మీకు ఎంత చెప్పండి.
హలో సార్, ఐ యామ్ వెంకటేశ్వర్ సార్.
వెంకట్, టెల్ మీ.
సార్, అంటే మీరు చెప్తున్న క్లాసెస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్తున్నారు కదా, ఒక 70 to 80% అర్థమవుతున్నాయి సార్. అంటే నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడడానికి
ఎవరికైతే తెలుగు ఉందో, తెలుగు కావాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాసెస్ వినండి. బట్ తెలుగు వీడియోస్ తీసుకోండి. పవర్ BI తెలుగులో ఉన్నాయి, అవి తీసేసుకోండి. వింటే తెలుగు అర్థమైపోతుంది.
సార్ నా డౌట్.
హలో సార్.
అడగలుగుతాను
సార్.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఇంగ్లీష్ అవసరం అంటారు కదా, మ్యాండేటరీ అంటారు కదా, అది ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వద్దా ఎలాగండి సార్?
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు మ్యాండేటరీ అవుతుందంటే మనం వదిలేయకూడదు కదా.
ఒక 50% మాట్లాడగలుగుతాం సార్. అంటే మీరు
చాలు అంత మాట్లాడితే చాలు నాన్న.
ట్రైనింగ్
అంత
ఎలా
మాట్లాడితే చాలు.
చేస్తారు ఎట్లా?
చాలు అంత మాట్లాడితే
Hello,
నువ్వు
sir.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఉపన్యాసం
Hello, sir.
అక్కర్లేదు కదా. డోంట్ వరీ.
Sir, mention to purchase the SQL Server videos, sir.
Hello, sir.
మీరు చెప్తున్న
It will be
క్లాసెస్
if I join in June month course, then April batch will be shipped in upcoming month.
Can you speak in Hindi or English? Or Hindi is fine. You tell me. क्या है?
If
Or
I'm
English?
joining this April batch, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, tell
And
me.
as I see next month 6:30 to 7:30 new batch started.
No, next month also
Okay.
we are starting 8 o'clock batch only. So the 6:30
There
is
is
not
no
yet finalized.
timing change like 6:30 or 7. Not finalized.
Not yet finalized. So that is what I'm telling. You join in this batch at 8 o'clock. Next month, you can jump. So that will be there. That will not be a new batch, right? So you will be learning 20 days of classes. Then you can jump to 6:30 with the new
Only
topic. Don't
timing
worry
change.
about it. Yeah.
Got it.
చెప్పమ్మా.
యాక్చువల్ సార్ నేను 2015 జాయినింగ్ సార్ బీటెక్ 2019లో పాస్ అవుట్ అవ్వాలి, కానీ నా సబ్జెక్ట్ లైన్ 2022లో అయింది సార్. నేను ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు మామూలుగా
పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, మనం హెల్ప్ చేద్దాం.
అంటే ఆల్రెడీ